Beautiful day for some trailer maintenance and stuff. We got this deck re-welded here because that broke, so then we did the other side too just to make sure it doesn't crack, so we got it welded. We got this axle, I ordered the wrong one last fall, put it on. You can see the tire, it's completely crooked compared to the other. Why is that? Well, it looks worse than it is because this is a straight axle and that one's cambered. But we're gonna put the old one back on, just because I've had some customers not liking it, even though it's technically safe, it's just not right. Here, we'll show you the other side. You can see crookedness. So anyways, we'll get that fixed. I had one of these screws break off, so we'll re-caulk this, re-screw it. Light bulb on here. Got this gooseneck going out for a week. Guy wants chains and binders, we got those. This is going out in and out all weekend. I might even do a drop job so people can fill it up with some junk or garbage, whatever they want. This one's going out for 3 days. Guy's doing a roofing job. He has a half ton. I'm like, well, you can pull it empty, 4,500 pounds. But I'm like, no way you're pulling it full, 14,000 pounds full with those shingles with the half ton. So he's gonna grab it, and then I'm gonna bring it to the shingle drop-off place. So that's gonna be today or tomorrow / 3 days from now. This one I have someone getting a skid steer for. So I'm gonna hook up to this and get it ready after I'm done with this and close. You can see, oh, which ones of these? Or actually, it's my other dump. I have some of these caps to fix. I don't know how they both happened on the back, but you can see this one's cocked in a little, and then this side is way worse. The rubber's even missing, so we're gonna have to do this one like right away, and I'll change out all the grease just since I'm doing that. Don't know how much dust is in there, so we'll do that as well. A beautiful day. 'Tis the season. A lot of people are wanting to rent. A lot of last seconds. A lot of people planning to, but yeah, it was sad because I had a week rental for this, but they didn't feel safe with the tire. I wish they would have called me because it's already been hundreds and hundreds of miles away one way on this. Well, I should say thousands, because it's went to Texas a couple times and back to Arizona. Like this, like I said, it's fine. It just looks sketchy. But anyways, we'll get the other axle on. We don't want people to feel scared. Plus, it will be better anyways. I can bring it to a place and have them fix the original axle properly. So, heck yeah. Let's go and get some stuff done. Then I have a diesel refueling thing tonight and just a whole bunch of good stuff. Staying busy. Staying busy.